with that set mirror. Set mirror with that. Set mirror with set.
Yeah. You gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, you're careful.
So, a Paris is like a continuation video. You know, see me nice and clothes. Because I have a different that tick. So I hope you did enjoy that video. Same day, Sunday, same day. It's gonna be a little more hectic. And I did show you in the previous video. I have my what them name pinto beans. I'm gonna set them for soak. So basically, I'm gonna set the pinto beans them for soak. And I'm gonna be making pinto beans and rice and peas style with pinto beans. Then let's say that. I'm gonna be making some turkey necks, but I'm not gonna make them turkey neck with beans. I don't think the fam, Jared on them, they love me like it with beans, but they don't care for beans. So I'm just go with that brown stew or stew. Them love it. So I have 3 pack of turkey neck. Jared want this, him request this, and I guess everybody's okay with it too. So I'm gonna leave it in a some apple cider vinegar soup. Get it all cleaned up if you're new here and you wonder how I clean it up. I have videos on my cooking channel. I try to link them for you and let you see how I clean up the turkey neck. Yeah. So breakfast is long over. I've got me some, what's this thing? I'm telling you, I just want to tell you. Chocolate tea. So I'm going to make it stay for the stove and cool. As right in the fridge till I put this. You hear me? God's will. Now make it spoil. Think nobody have tea for the rest of today. Alright, so got me there. Pressure cook up, my show you what I'm do. Stove again. Gonna go put my peas to soak. To Lord of mercy. Wanna help me? This thing I want full of salt done in there. I put a little salt. Just for get it started with a little salt so easier for flavor up. A few pegs of garlic, like 2 thereabout. Yeah, I find something. Have a little olive oil buckle. Slam it. You know the regular, that's how we do it. You maybe do yours a different way, but at the end of the day, we are making some dinner. Jamaican style. We are go one little way we do. We have my family enjoys turkey neck over oxtails. So we don't ask still money today, even if we did have it, we didn't buy none. Because we prefer turkey neck, okay? Put my little garlic in there. I want to know the drill. Yes, sir. Gonna be this clean. To dry up and put away. So I'm gonna put in my turkey neck, then I take them out of the wrapper, rinse them off. Them still kind of frozen, you know. Like when you get them in a bigger pot. It's quite a lot I got here. Quite a lot. I'm sure. I think you're almost full, is it? So I'm just gonna keep it in some cold water and make the ice. And then after me, I'll come back and leave it in a me apple cider vinegar and some little extra water. Now leave them for soup. When you come to the turkey neck, I'm going to play with it in a stuff. This got a small amount of bleach. I want to put on the rag here and make it have the raw thing there. I really like it, you know. So I put some. But at the same time, I'm going to rinse out the rag with it and just make the smell of the bleach in it. Because I know them gonna sit near or whatever. You know, good for just put the raw bleach. Yes, make the wrap just smell fresh, so the raw on its own. My hand did touch that something there, you know, while I go after the turkey neck, so. Now make you see, let me wash them, so. I leave it in some water for finish. The ice coming out under the ice cold water. You see what I say? So we're going to be making turkey neck. Stewed turkey neck, either brown stew or stew, whichever. And my rice and peas, I put all my peas there so for pressure. This is the pinto beans as I show you. And I think I have a lot of pine skins in my deep freezer or freezer, wherever I want them. I'm going to search for some now. Because I should have taken them out. I'm going to make some juice for them. And basically, yeah. I buy one cabbage for 2 million. And I'm going to give them a little shredded cabbage, shredded carrot. And I think I have a cucumber there. Basically, that's what's going to be dinner. So, stick and stay along with me. And as you go in the comment section, let me know what you think. Tell me your favorite part of the video. You know? So, that's what we have for dinner. And I'm going to be sharing it with you all the way. Next clip. Okay, Paris, I'm on to another clip. This is my pine skins. It was frozen, so I'm going to put a little more water in it. So I'm going to boil it until it's soft. Now I'm boil it with no ginger, no nothing at all. I just boil it. I just boil it until it's soft. I'll put some fresh ginger juice in there. So the color, I did a video. I'm going to show you that video. I'm going to link the clip to that. I'll put the link to that video there. I know I did a pinto beans, rice and peas with pinto beans. So I go link that video there. It's on the cooking channel. Yeah. I know saying that me not showing nothing. Yes, are different. So you see, these beans are pretty tough. That's what I realized with the pinto beans. So my pressure them already. So I'll give them an extra pressure. I go run them back again. So there's some of them. I'm gonna put on back the pinto beans again. I didn't even realize that they were so hard. So I put on back my pinto beans then. And I gonna make this. When it starts to boil up, I'm gonna lower the flame. I cook it till it's like relatively soft. Cool it down. And I show you this pine skins only juice. Let me tell you, any day you try it, you never drink the real pineapple juice again. It is more flavorful than the pine itself. Alright, so I did this video on Patreon. I have never done this video on the cooking channel, showing you all the real pine skins. So therefore, I always wash my pine them thoroughly, peel them, and I have a lot of frozen pine skins. Next clip. Alright, I am drained. Take long for clean up. This is all the cleanings I'm gonna get. Yeah, I'm gonna come to them something here. So it took me a long time because what happened, Jerry don't understand how to buy them. Me buy them as selected. I don't buy them anyway. I mean have to clean up, yeah, see? Yeah, I have to clean up all of them there. So I have to do that myself. Nobody else can do that for me. So it took me some time. So I have some Chinese 5 spice in another bag and left back. And I think I'm gonna use it. I think this is enough because this looks like about 5 pounds of turkey meat. And I never know when we buy the one them, although these days you never know if we have to trust, but we pray because them like it and so. So I want to rub it out now. Cob. No regular white gloves finish and then the one that I order not come yet. So I have to get one blue one, yeah. Yeah, so go blend something here. I put it in like I see this. This needs spice. This needs seasoning up, fam. So look here. I have about a dozen peg of garlic here, so I have to line it up with it. Yeah, alright. Sometimes I get cut for me, I think it better and it still feel tender. Start out then garlic here. Yeah, them just love when I season it and cook it. So mommy, where you take seasoning? Say, last time in carry some go work Sunday, Monday. You say go work as a man, and where you over this and eat. So mommy, when I carry it in my container and microwave it and open it in co-work as a thing say, where you over this and eat, man? Where you over this and eat with that flavor there? Yeah, man, I not play with them something here for, man. Right now, I do it here, so everything here so smell nice. I no run, it's not kind of something here raw, you know. Yeah, man, come and find out, so them are white, the nigga here when me again. Then can't cleanse meat again. You do it and you literally, I'm going to wash up everywhere, they so the sink, them and wipe off the cupboard and the board with bleach and everything. But outside of that, trust me, man, it's a chunk of garlic here. I put all light in there. And I go and rub it up. So look here. I grate off all of that garlic in here. Go put pimento, either pimento seed, cloves, fennel, coriander. What else thing the name? Basil, all of them sitting there. She grind up in that. I'm put the Chinese spice in this. And go bring it, give me some scallion and some scotch bonnet pepper. So we are going to cut up all of that. And me are going to make a big rub up, you know. That's why I see me ask her for the gloves. But them gloves I look like I saw house clean, but you know, kill me for the one I took. I have some of my other up on the way. They might take a little time. I don't know how to look. Something there. So, I'll catch you in the next clip. Here, ginger and the garlic in the ramp with it. But it take me a little time to see me as well. Really almost an hour over this. Because it was a lot. But I don't know if I understand if I buy. I don't buy them type here with the whole clean and flat. I always search. And look, I have the ones and then put select. More money, but I don't mind it. Yes, so. Put some of this. Just all stew it down. Maybe some of it. Then I put all it on this. I'm going to put no salt on it here. I put some of my paprika right there, so. I'm going to take out this. I she buy this as seasoning. But actually, it's me and show you what it is. Put my paprika and this. Smoked paprika. This are the non-sponsor the video, but me show you. It's an all-purpose seasoning from Island Spice. Right up here, so this is what me look for first. It says no MSG. And that not stop me. Me still read the ingredients then. The ingredients say salt, or sugar, Jamaican, pimento, ginger, garlic, onion flakes, thyme, oregano, black pepper, celery. Yeah. In it. But me I put little because I have more salad in it, but me not have no celery. Me don't want the, you know, so I just put a little she buy it. You know? So I don't put enough, because I don't really need enough. But from me see this. See it? I'm good. Alright. What is something then? Oh, so she did it. She look about the scallion and the country pepper for the scotch bonnet. So this take up the whole of my time. But I feel good and I feel comfortable because when I eat it and I eat my own nose, I'm not around for the bone in. When I eat my bone, them, you know, I'm supposed to feel. I don't want me to eat nothing, me to taste and me to taste and sit me raw and no. Me know some them have rawness, but that extra backfire in a rawness there. See it? It get pretty already. Me I season it up, you know, you see it? Yeah, paprika and little side stuff. So she come with some scallion then now. Celery, I want some celery. I want some celery flakes, some organic celery flakes. Celery is really good. Yes, so I rub it in here, you know. You see it? I'm gonna salt it yet. Alright, give me this. Wow. I don't see how I sweat. I'm gonna wash that board here already, but I'm gonna have to wash it off back. What am I gonna do? Show me what I do. Scallion and blood of Jesus is against you. You ever hear them say when knife are turn up, your contention or you're gonna move or something? Something like that. So I cut this. This is a knife here, see Paris? You know, wrong with a knife here, you know. Here. It's not a knife. Cobb, tell your father to pass some of the French time. But 2 of the French time leave for me. When the season turkey neck, you know, Paris. No joke with it, you know, my turkey neck, them mother road. But you rather buy the one, them little one, them buy the select one, them where Then clean them, half clean them up for you. Yeah. So I'm gonna name them something from people. See people when I go and see them. I don't want it, I don't order nothing with none in them. I don't want it from nobody. The business nobody wants it. Because them something here, for them to eat and can digest from my stomach, them have to look about properly. You know? You ever hear some people, but yeah, me no business, y'all want next garlic here. Me no business when nobody wants to say. That's for your business. Say what you want to say. My stomach very, very weak. From me a pitney, I come my stomach not strong. You know some people anything they name and it no bother them. And some stay mama. I know then something if them no look about good. Where they can just, you know, just upset your stomach and them sitting there. So you make sure some of those cookie for myself. So that gonna go get wanna see how me I wet? Oh for Jesus. I go wash off back the board. So me that for use it. So and me there so all long in a smell around it's nothing. So I put that out in the cabbage when I'm done. I'm not put no salt yet, you know. But you know what, and none of them seasoning not have any salt. So me I make it go and cook, and when it start, then I'll give it another 45 minutes. So I have to make them smell nice. So I have to put some of the French thyme, the broadleaf thyme there. I chop 2 pieces I put in it. I have that time in but like that I want to put. So slow stew. Is this? Very pretty? Yeah man. Next clip. So Parry, me just rub up me let me think, me did a record when me I chop it up, but it seems as I wasn't recording. So see it there? Yeah, so me I rest it right here. So me not better use no gloves. And I am going to be just wiping off over here, so rinse off the bowl. And I'm going to show no progress. Next clip. Alright, now Parry, so I'm going to take out some of the pizza because it's kind of too much. Yeah, for the right amount of rice, so I want to cook on. I take out some of the pizza water, I can just take out the pizza alone. I take out this one. This should be enough. Yeah, we'll leave that. Take out some of the. So somebody here has got to do a piece of garlic strip. Somebody here I forgot to do the honors for me by blending the coconut. This is gonna be staying here. I pull out this and then I must try to get some of these from the Amazon storefront. They're very handy. Very, very handy. Freezer, microwave, everywhere. So this is it right here. We'll finish that. This here is my pine skins boil. If you smell it, you'd be you wouldn't understand. But when me I blend it, me might try showing. I'm gonna show it. Me I make it kind of cool down. So what I think me I go do? It will take a little time. Should I this if you do long time in the freezer cool? Cause when I serve it ice, me always just make it cool. So I don't know it. So I'm gonna blend some coconut milk. You might not see it. So when you alright now Parry, me I start for me I use this in a little bacon grease pan. Some use oil, see it? No. I got a little curry oil in there, but I go use liquor. I eat up my pot. Yeah. We have these on the Amazon storefront. You can check it out. So it comes with this little strainer. You can just see it nice and you have, yeah. So you can check it out. Alright, so Jerry made the name of coconut milk. So I like for me boy that you know. See how things coconut milk rich. Coconut milk you can't look through this. So I make coconut milk rich. I make clown water coconut milk. Right now this are 2 coconut, liquor coconut then. But then rich and thick. So coconut milk gone in there now. And this, I smell like it's hot. I'm going to see say Jessie now got all them something here. So put on everybody in there. How blood of Jesus is against you. You hear me? The blood of Jesus is against you. from the camera. If something about tuna fiery, they will set in. Yeah, when you see them sitting here happening, screeching, to make all kind of burn up and all kind of casualty. You have to set him out here. Think we want him in here? Where? So look here. You see what I'm going in there, so? Yeah, man, so it will look good. So put on the cover. Got some water here. I'm going to go and set it to boil. So I guess go about put in some scallion for me and like a thyme and 2 more peg of garlic. Yeah. And then we're going to have this all. Just make it cook a little more. I don't know the drill, the rice and peas thing. See? Yeah. I don't know if I cook it in this, but I take out the rubber. Because I notice when I cook in some of the stainless steel something I burn. So I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure, but I still take out the rubber. Alright, so I have nothing much in this, so I wait for the water for hot and pour liquor. So that's where we are. This is here being cool out. I almost cover now for putting in the fridge. So this side then I have the pineapple over there. I have it over there so it will cool out. So actually the blender in the deep freezer already, you know, but guess what? All the fridge are cool. We saw it go, you know. So that I come to a boil, I make all the put in scallion and something. And then I don't know. I go try every time I cook in it, I'm not sure. Every time I cook in a pressure cooker, this one especially it burn. So there's some there with dinner. Next clip. Alright, Paris, so just you see it, you take it time. I stew down, you see it? Yeah, them no want beans. I love beans, you see it? You can see, you see how the pot did full up. I make it one juice in a kind of pot here. It spring a whole heap of juice. So take it time and cook down. And you can show them cut it small, you have to say it almost ready, you know. Yeah, so and I have done for putting like more little ketchup. More than that, and you know, I don't want no more soy sauce. It will stay there, and I do it to one little thing. Yeah, so a pot cover, yeah. Will it put something there? Oh, that's why it makes so much steam. The pot cover, yeah, not having another little the air vent them. Yeah, man. I turn it down so. Turn it down. So over there, so now we have the rice and peas on over there. I'm almost there, you know. Almost there. So watch you now. I there, you know. One little cabbage, you want to see it, because it light like a cat. I never know if you wait once. $600, I must say 7 cents plus tax. Anything you see with white label in a supermarket, it try to attract tax. I might have the cucumber here. Look. So this bend up 1 carrot me have in there. See I bend up like me, lucky. I can put it in the water and keep it a little hydrated, and then I make one little salad. One little, you know, the little regular vegetable salad. I just right there, you know, so. I go back for this now. This are the, probably take it off of the stove. Kind of cool down now. This is the I go blend the juice, the pine skin juice. So I must try it in a parry. Try it, me say. You think the pine not have itself nice? Don't know if it try this. And I wouldn't stop drinking it. See there? So I go blend it out now. See? Yeah. I get some fresh ginger juice. I really boil it with the ginger. You know? Like when the ginger juice in it fresh. So I have a big piece of ginger, yeah. Let me just I go wash it. Put it for soaking there so with that. So vegetable I go do now. And then where I go think because this that take time I come now. So I take my time getting there. Dinner really late because breakfast was late. But look here, we don't have no flight I go catch with that we had. And breakfast was late. I just feel like my stomach feel a little empty. So Jared did this something and he wash out the blender. So What me I go do here now? Me I go ask Cobb now to come get one strain and one next container where I can strain out this inner. So I feel like I want to do the juice and then I do the look chop up, whatever vegetable something. So that's something there, you know. So when you see me again, you know, this suppose so. Let me see what I go on in here so. I feel like me want to go eat things here now. You don't know them kind of way. But me not really hungry, so you know breakfast kept me. Me not do nothing more than just drink like water. So that's good. That's a good enough time. Yeah. I'm turkey neck nowadays, I'm not tough again. I want to still turkey neck them. But Jado, he's him not know if he's like him not and him my man and him, you know, a daddy if a daddy to that worse. If I did him you said goodbye, he told that worse. Me say, let me tell you about the pine skin, you say, you know, man. Let me tell you, you know, me don't talk. Me a taste here, our report. Me almost tell you. And that take a couple more salt. I don't know, go something. One little more salt. So I look for something else. I don't know what. Me I find like a salt sweet. You know, and give me what I want. And maybe just a little salt because I put all the season on say. Right, done. Later. Yeah, you see it? Yeah. So I did put a little salt, add some ketchup, put a little Worcestershire sauce. And I just, what else I do? I put a little pinch, just a pinch of cinnamon, just a little pinch. Because I like a little gig there. I never feel taste a little gig there, so it's good now. Wow. It's good now, so I am going to have to leave this. And the kids then say, Mommy, we don't want it with no ice. Do it like how you always do it. So I'll leave it. It should have done from last night, you know. I'm going to leave it to cool down. Leave it in the fridge overnight. And then you're going to see me blend it on this vlog though. Alright, so we're not going to deal with no blending for the rest of the night. And all of them sitting there. I fix the cameras. I have my little, let me tell this out of the way. I have my little carrot in the water there. And I'm going to wash this. And I'm going to get the vegetable done. I get some vegetable done. And basically after that, then instead of I go drink water, then must see, they must see one case of Pepsi around there. I guess them will drink it. I'll have water. I'm not even going to eat nothing because you know what happen. It's not really late for me now. I can't eat, but I want some of my food for left back. I could come back, come out of the fridge to wash. I'm not putting it in my fridge to wash, but you know, don't know I go. I go something there. I go scrape this. Take off that outer piece of sitting off of this cabbage. Get it rinsed off. And then make a little veggie. Vegetable. I make Cobb come make a little vinaigrette for me. And I didn't have that for today. Not so. I can't even trip off too much. I'm not telling you no lie. But I thought I had a half in there of a smaller one. I go check that out fam. Okay now, Paris. So that you know I say yeah. That's the finish. What that's something they name? Pinto beans and rice. Yeah, I mean I tell you the truth, I love mash up my garlic in my rice and peas. So you see pinto beans, you can make rice and peas. You see that? And I've done a tutorial for you all. Just how you see them rice and peas. You don't have to do nothing more. So you see say it look good there. Rice and peas ready. I'm going to show you. I'm showing you turkey neck already, yeah? Look at me, I forgot. Turn it on. That's why my eyes like have my hot water. You know, so want some of them something, and even though they're on the stove top. And so me I go put just like a tablespoon of water in it. It get heat up, and me I go make a plate for that. And me I make a plate for one. For one plate and that plate. I found a plate, a different plate, campaign plate, you know. Yeah, I believe. I am looking for a big spoon. Okay, fine. Spoon. A plate for him. I'm not eating the. I'm gonna make a plate for him and a plate for you all, but I'm gonna eat for the plate for me. I don't have no type of vegetable where him eat for eating, you see? So I make some rice for him. Wow. Food look good, food already. I don't know. I want to see the challenges that I have with him. I'm not eat cucumber, I'm not eat cabbage, in just maybe eat lettuce. I don't have no lettuce. It's very challenging. Really challenging at this point. I don't have nothing for vegetable. No man all over, so some of them stay. I rather not eat no vegetable neither. Me not make them. Me not make them turn me not idiot, you know. I'm full already. Straight full already. So look here. Yeah, man, you know when time the meat subside and it get cold, so I just put like a little bit of water. I turn it down. Yep. One of them that club? Yeah. And then? Yeah. Then just gone down. Yeah, go wait till them come back. I don't know. Do your thing. So look here. Me eat one, make one little plate for you all, but I don't know say I got it in. I don't know if brother did that go. It's alright. Yeah, but with them are crosses. So, I can't put none of this pan, Dad. Well, I guess him now. Maybe if me have string bean and them something there. So, when me tell you know it, I want to know it took out no more than no. Move this fry, so I'm going to see. See what I go on pan the stove, should. As a Gerard, I come down here, I can't eat it. Unless we did have avocado. Or pear, where we call it. We don't have no pear. We'd have few and it some spoil off and then here. I'm going to do it like that, you know. So I'm going to drink water. I'm not to drink Pepsi, you know, so I don't know. But look here. I can't take the big man, them we love give all the pataki in the Paris, see it? So I have to get that gravy pan the rice. Yeah, turkey neck, so. I'm going to do now. I'm not eat, I'm dish out a little plate for me. So. For the plate now, no gravy, because I go eat it. But I just show you. You understand? All of them people in the music, I have to try to talk over it. Yeah. Me that girl don't like the gravy. I don't know why. I just can't deal with the food with the gravy, so. What am I do? Oh, I must tell me that I left this in the rice. So look here. Cobb the channel, Cobb did this. Peel, no color, but look here. Look, we have some. Yeah. So. I clean up on a plate. When I tell a lie, if that really take a slice of pear or two. So that really enhance the food. But guess what happened? Let us just go live. Life is good. And we give God the glory. So look here. Eat with my eyes. And while me I go eat with my mouth for you all. So look here. This vlog is not over. I'll catch you again when I am making that pineapple skin juice. Come on, want to know if you see. Yeah? I'll catch you. Next clip.